Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to reinstall Windows along with the included drivers. First, you need to prepare the DISM++ software. Next, you need a Windows 10 or later ISO file. Here, I choose the latest Windows 11 version 25H2. Extract DISM++. Now we will create a new folder named Driver, and we will back up the drivers from this current Windows version for the upcoming Windows installation. You can view the drivers we will be backing up in Device Manager. They will be drivers like graphics card, audio, and so on. Now open DISM++ to proceed with backing up the drivers. Switch to the driver section in the left column. Here, it will show the drivers installed on the computer after setting up Windows. Click on All in the lower right corner to select them. Click Export and select the driver folder you just created. So the export process has been successful. You can go into the driver folder to check it. Everything is fully prepared here. Now you will access the Windows recovery environment by holding down the Shift key and clicking Restart. Select Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. Select your user account. Enter your password if prompted. Open Notepad. Select File, Open. You can see that my Windows installation C drive has now become the G drive. Now I will go and check my ISO file on the E drive. Change the files of type to all files. So my ISO file has been successfully identified. Now open DISM++. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now we will proceed to install Windows first. Go to File and select Apply Image. For the first line, select your Windows ISO file. Choose the Windows edition you want to install. I will choose the Pro edition. In the second line, select your Windows installation partition. As we checked earlier, mine is the G drive. Check the Add Boot and Format boxes to add boot files for the new Windows and cleanly format the installation partition. Double-check your information to make sure no important data is lost. So the Windows installation process is underway. You can see it in the Adjacent tab. So the process of applying the WIM file to the hard drive has been successful, and it also displays Windows 11 Pro x64 right here. Open Session. Open the driver section. Click Add in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the driver folder you backed up at the beginning of the video. I have successfully added all the backed up drivers without any issues. Now, close everything out and click Continue to let it proceed with the Windows installation process for you. I have successfully booted into Windows, and now I will check the drivers. I will adjust the screen resolution a bit larger so it's easier to see. All the drivers are already pre-installed. How convenient! I will check the partition drive where Windows is being installed. You can see that disk 4 is my Windows installation drive. It's partitioned very neatly and properly for the Windows installation. You can see this is the Windows 11 25H2 Pro Edition, and I want to remind you once again that this method can be used for versions from Windows 10 and above. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.